Ya, coba aku kasihkan.
Berat dulu, dipanggil dulu.
Kamu mau kah?
Lempar lagi, lempar sini, dekat-dekat. Jangan jauh-jauh.
Hah?
Lempar dekat aja.
Gak apa kok. Oh, I apologize. Goodness, there's even some of them over there. We're feeding the monkey. Oh yeah, that's
Where the hell
got
did they run again?
They're on over there, or over there. Or,
What happened? What happened?
they're scared of humans. They're scared of humanity.
Ini jalan.
Hey, get over here. Get
Nah,
over here. Would
nah.
you like some? Hey, you can have some. Isn't that too spicy for you? Wait, here are the baby. Here are the kids. Here are the children. Kayaknya ini anak-anak dan itu orang tua. My goodness, they even have nipples. How are they doing? What the monkey doing? More monkey stuff actually. Don't take my watch. Don't take my watch, you.
Loh.
Monyetnya mau kemana? They were mating. They were trying to mate, man.
Huh?
They were trying
What
to
did I
mate.
miss?
They were
What the
trying
hell
to
did I
mate.
miss?
They were trying to mate.
I need you to kill me after
Huh?
this. Please.
What the hell? What the hell was the monkeys doing, man? In front of the children, literally. In front of the children.
Dear God, man.
Actually, no. Let's just forget about that. Actually.
At this point, I think that...
Oh my goodness. Yeah, I think those monkeys are playing tag.
Honestly, this is
Very traumatic.
I'm not too traumatized. I'm just disgusted.
By the monkeys mating. Are you mating monkeys?
Why was I there?
Oh
It
no.
felt like that. It felt like...
Oh my. You're not getting any food. Come on, yeah, you are. Itu kasihkan. Ya, itu sudah habis.
Udah habis.
Oh, I'm sorry, sir, but it's already done. Sir, I apologize. It's over. It's over. I apologize. We apologize that we ran out of stocking. I apologize. What the hell was that monkey doing, man? Right in front of the children, really? Oh no, it's gonna turn out.